Everybody, just wanted to take a second to talk about the Pool Millionaire community you're seeing up front here. What this is, it's an A to Z community that teaches you how to start and scale a pool service and repair business. Now, that's not pool construction, so that's something else. This is pool service and repair. And so you're going to have a lot of layers of services that you can make money on. And this teaches you how to start that business and scale that business. And we work with you step by step to get that done. And so within this community, as you can see here, you have modules. So like ultimate digital checklist, pool sample business docs, like the documents you need to use, like your service agreement, your drain and clean disclosure, all that kind of stuff. But also if you want to get leads, build a website, kind of like the A to Z of how to do that and where to start. We have courses on that. We have basically videos teaching you the process and why it's important, what we did. So this is basically a database of knowledge, tools, templates, and it's interactive because we are there with you. 2 times a week, we're doing live Zoom calls. You can ask us questions. You can get dialed in. If you started a business already and you're stuck, we can kind of help guide you with what worked for us because we did the pool business. We had pool business as well. So we are kind of in the trenches with you. We help you step by step, and we have real world best practices in this community that actually worked. It worked for us, it worked for our clients. And so there's a huge knowledge base, but it's also interactive, and there's also a community area. So if you take a look, so you have these courses right here, and everything from how to get leads, how to build out your Google My Business, what the pool service business is all about, some of the financials you should know getting into the business, what it looks like, how you can scale it at each level. What does that even look like, right? First steps, tools you need. It's all built in. It's all in here. Pool service training manual. So teaches you how to kind of step by step go about cleaning the pool and some of the troubleshooting elements you may need to know while doing that, right? It's not every single thing you're going to encounter ever. You will have good work experience as you go, but you can call us or text us or get on the Zoom and jump on there if you have a question. And so hiring people, phone sales mastery, and that's a big one too. Phone sales, you got to know your phone sales. You have to understand how to close that customer lead when they come in, right? And so this gives you a very easy template, bullet points to follow. And so that's the great thing about this community is everything is super easy and laid out very in a step-by-step manner that anyone can do. Just read, watch the videos, and take action. It's really straightforward. Okay, this is the calendar section. And so these are weekly live Zoom meetings. And so, for example, this is the one on Tuesdays. It's at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then we have one in the morning on Friday. So it's 2 different time zones that everybody can jump on one or the other and really get your questions answered live with either myself or my business partner, Jonathan, who's doing the digital side of things. And so it's just a wonderful place where you can get all of your questions answered real time. And so check that out, Pool Millionaire. Become a member, and here's the community section. As you can see, even this is a great knowledge base where people are interacting, they're talking, and they're getting their questions answered real time, and we're having discussions on here real time. And so that's the way to go. One more thing. So links are in the descriptions below. You can join. It's really easy to join. It's just a quick email and you make a little profile, and the platform's called School, Skool, and it's a community within that platform. Super easy to join. Click the link, make a quick profile. You'll be in there in 2 seconds. Pool Millionaire, thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you.